Hi, I'm Somesh, and I created Yaad Bites and StormSafe Jamaica. The inspiration behind these apps was due to several real-world problems around me. There's people struggling to get hurricane updates during the power outage, and small food stalls having a hard time to reach customers. Because of this, I wanted to use technology to help make life easier for all of us, especially in moments like these. After the hurricane, small food stalls struggled, and Yaad Bites helped to give them visibility once again by connecting them to customers. Similarly, StormSafe supported Jamaica after the hurricane and during the hurricane by providing nearby shelter locations, road blockage updates, and even community reports on where power and water have been reinstated. And this shows us that with technology, our communities can recover much faster and even rebuild at a faster pace. My message to the youth is simple. Start small and start now. Look for problems in your communities and use creativity to solve them. You don't have to be an expert or even be perfect. You just have to care about the problem and take the first step. Thank you.